Brown skin girls,
your skin just like pearls.
Chocolate girls, get in here.
It's time for a little makeup video.
Yay! So this is the Detty December look. If you are a dry skin girl and you want that glow, Alma will be showing you guys the Detty December look. If you have like, what? Do you have oily skin?
No, I have combination
skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Dodos. Please join the gang. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so that every time I post a video you'll be updated. So on today's video, you can tell that I have a guest.
Moi.
And I'll just let her introduce herself, okay?
Okay guys, my name is Alma and I am the blogger behind the Alma Chronicle brand. So the Alma Chronicle on Instagram, the almachronicle.com. On YouTube, I have also the Alma Chronicle. This is a shameless plug for you guys to follow me everywhere. And today we are going to be doing, do you want to tell them what we're doing today?
We're going to be doing a everyday soft makeup look for Detty December. If you're not Nigerian, Detty December is when all the
I did do these,
which is I just got back, which is people like Alma, people based Nigerians in diaspora basically, when they come home to have fun parties, go out. December is usually lit in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're not Nigerian, please stop by in Lagos in December at some point. Yes, so we just did this look, which is basically like an everyday glam, something that we can transition. You can transition from like day to like nighttime, from brunch to clubbing. We're going to be showing you guys how we achieve this makeup look. Very easy, and we're just going to be having a chit chat, nothing serious. It's not a tutorial. So if you want to see like a proper makeup tutorial, you can
watch her other videos.
Yes.
Watch her other videos. I don't do tutorials out loud.
Okay, yes. So if you want to see how I do my makeup normally, an in-depth tutorial, then you can watch my other videos. But without further ado, let's jump into this video.
Enough of the chit chat. More chit chat rolling in 2, 1,
3.
Let's go.
I think Alma and I we have very similar styles of makeup. So you can just start.
Yeah. So I know that personally I don't do a lot, and so with Dodos we do a lot of like natural skin,
soft brown hues and stuff like that.
I don't even remember how to start. Like when I'm sitting, because I'm sitting beside Dodos, I'm kind of like intimidated because it's Dodos.
No,
and it's just me, and I'm like,
but see, you even have more tools than I do.
Yeah, but like technique, I'm learning from you. So where do you start? Okay, I usually start with using my primer, and the primer
is really good.
It's amazing. The primer is the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. So I start by just putting this all over my skin. So this is what it looks like.
I'm using the glossy Future Dew serum because I've already done a lot of like moisturizing, and I'm kind of breaking out today. See, can you see?
Yeah.
This is what people don't see when I say I'm breaking out. They're like, do you break out?
Yeah, everybody breaks out.
Everybody.
It's not fair to assume that just because you have nice skin that you never break out.
Yeah.
I love this stuff because it's also moisturizing. It's not just a primer. And for me, I feel like the most important thing to me is that I want my skin to feel good underneath all of my makeup.
Yeah. But I would really like to try that Bobbi Brown primer because I don't use primers at all.
So what was that you just used?
It's just a serum. For like additional glow.
Yeah, no, I like primers. I love primers.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna mist my face. Yes. So this is a soothing mist. I think it's like rose water. It's from a Nigerian brand called M Skin. Love it.
Why do you mist your face?
Just to give me like extra hydration.
Okay, I have a mist here. I'm gonna try that too.
Yeah. Just living that baby girl life, enjoying ourselves, pumping ourselves.
This brand is necessary. Okay.
Yeah. Just because I'm seeing some discoloration on my eyes, I'm just going to go into color correct. And this is the MAC color corrector palette.
The brow pencil that I'm using is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Spin, and this is in the color Deep Brown.
Okay, and then for me, next I'm going into foundation. You guys know I love the Lancome Tint Idol Foundation, and I use the shade 13, but I mix it with the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint, and then I also add a bit of this. So in here it's like a contour.
Girl, this is why you have the glow. Look at me thinking it was just a foundation thing, eh? You have the... Yeah, I've learned something new.
Yeah, it's the same thing when you mix your foundation even on your hand, at the back of your hands with like your moisturizer, if you want to share it out to have that more natural glow from within kind of look.
I've learned something new today. I'm going to pick up that. So the tint thing, does it have a shade or is it just more
so
like
this
a highlight?
Shade, no, this shade is G3, which I think you are. I think we're kind of the same shade. I go into highlighting and contouring, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in front. Most times I use this, or I use the Bondi Sway concealer, the Too Faced Bondi Sway concealer in Mocha.
Okay, so now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm trying to catch up with Dodos. It's like she's almost done and I'm just starting. Foundation, I'm using my Holy Grail Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and I am in the color 445. I swear by this foundation, no cap, like it's... Girl,
it's the match is the exact same thing.
This is the same shade as the Fenty Beauty foundation, no difference. Okay.
Now I'm going to blend my under eye using my all-time favorite beauty blender, which is the Glam beauty blender. I love this beauty blender.
Dodos actually made me buy that beauty blender
last year.
Yeah, last year when I came home, she was like, "You have to buy this beauty blender," and I love it too. It feels like my skin. Okay, so the next thing I go in with is my ColourPop concealer, and this is the color Dark 46. It's so good. Like, I buy it in bulk because I don't want to hear that ColourPop is going to stop producing it. And
something. And you know it's always the best things that they discontinue.
Yeah, and it's so cheap. It's like $5 or something.
So now we're done with highlighting and contouring. We're about to set our makeup. I'm using the, what is in here? Huda Beauty Kunafa mixed with the Ben Nye Topaz.
I want to try that. I have the Dera Blend Professional Illuminating Banana Powder. This is actually what I use, but I feel like I want to try something different.
Yeah, so I go into the product. I just have the powder in here. So I go into the product like this, right? And make sure I get like a generous amount like that. And then I take it off. Here. The trick with baking for me is I just don't put it scattered. I make sure I'm blending at every point I'm placing it in.
Okay.
So this is what I would do. And then from the inner corner here, I just start placing it in. So you see, I'm applying it smooth already under my eyes.
You're not just packing it on.
Yeah.
Okay, this is something new that I have learned. Because usually I just pack it on.
Yeah.
Oh, Dodos, I like this.
It is, listen, it's a game changer.
It's way better than what I would have done. Because I honestly just take my beauty blender and I put in my powder and just pack it on. So for me, I've done my highlighting. Now I'm going to contour. I don't do any heavy contour because I already have high cheekbones.
She does.
So
I just trying to look like.
I really just use like the powder, and I just put powder on a brush like this, very small. I actually just dust it up, and I just go and blend it into.
Okay, so for me, next thing will be blush.
Oh, okay.
I use cream blush, so I'm going to be using the Glossier Cloud Paint cream blush in the shade Storm. So this is what the cream blush looks like. It's not as intense as I would love it.
I've never used a cream blush.
Oh wow, I use it. I even use lipstick on my cheeks.
I see a lot of you guys do it. A lot of you beauty people do it, but I'm just like, yeah, this looks like if I just try it, my whole makeup is just going to be messed up. So I'll go in with my face powder, and today I am using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. This is an OG for us dark skin girls.
Listen, the best. If you're a dark skin girl, you need MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, Dark Deep and Dark Best. While for me, I'll be going to eyeshadow. And this is the Jacqueline Hill and Morphe palette. It's pretty jacked up already, because you know I make artists. So anyways, so I'm going to be using for like that everyday Detty December makeup look, you don't need shimmer, I believe. So I'll stick with like a matte color, like a matte orangey color. So I'll use that one.
When I think Detty December look, I think I want to be able to wear this makeup in the afternoon, and then if I need to hit the club at night to go to drinks, I can just transition, maybe add, you know, touch up, do my powder and stuff like that. But I don't want to do like a whole new face.
I also like to use the Fenty Mocha Mami as well to contour my eyes. Kind of like lining my eyes but with eyeshadow, and just at the outer corners, just for that cute fox eye type situation.
I love this eyeshadow.
Yeah, this is it.
What? That is so beautiful.
It's really, really soft.
That is so beautiful. So the thing is, when I start my face, I have to finish my face before I go anywhere.
Oh, that's nice.
So
you do eyeshadow last?
Yeah, eyeshadow is last, and then I wear lashes, and that's it. So now I'm going to go in with the Mocha Mami bronzer and take a generous amount on my brush. I'll say this is actually what gives me the definition. I don't do a lot of contouring, but I like my skin to look warm and nice, and so bronzer for me is where it's at. So I just take this and hit all of the places that I need that warm, which is my cheekbones. Can you see that? Like,
yeah. Oh, that's nice.
So for me, I just like share this out of my cheekbones. You know, Rihanna really did something with this bronzer. Like, she came through for us dark-skinned girls.
Dude. I'm going in with mascara. I have semi-permanent lashes on, so I'll just go with my mascara. I mean, they say you shouldn't do it, but I'm getting a refill today, so I really don't care.
You know, that's one thing I've never done. Like, have individual lashes.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I just don't know how I take care of it.
Take it.
I like my makeup to come off at the end of the day, every single day. For my blush, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me in number 50. This is what it looks like.
So guys, we're not done with the entire makeup, but we're far gone. But we changed the
setting.
Yeah, the setting, because the light was kind of too much and it was getting blown out. Yeah. So we like this one better. We're looking cute.
We've actually, I think we've done most with our face, and now I'm going to go into my eyes. I am part of the 2 shadow gang, meaning I don't use more than 2 eyeshadows. I don't have that time or patience to blend anything. So I'm going to use the exact color that Dodos actually used.
Yeah.
Which is this brown.
And this.
Okay, so like, which one should I do on my crease?
This.
This?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to take this brown, sorry. Oof. Ooh, child. I find it interesting that you just casually have a fan.
Listen.
I
actually use it for my clients, and I was just like, but why don't I do it for myself? Please, I need this treatment as well. Because I just hate waiting for my mist to set. I'm just like, I need to fast forward this part.
I said I was going to use this for my crease only, but you guys, this is how lazy I am. I have just used it for my entire eyelid and everything. Ooh, I really like this eyeshadow. I should buy this palette.
Yeah. So
but is it any use for me to buy this palette and only use one eyeshadow?
No, you use a lot now. There's a lot of things you can do with this palette.
I don't know, I love this eyeshadow.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
It looks
look at
so
that. You can't even
beautiful.
see it. Alma, you look so stunning.
She's saying I can't see because I actually cannot see. I wear glasses, and for some reason I have decided that I will not wear contacts.
I was just like, okay, so now I'm going to eyebrows, and I'm using the Beauty Line by DD Pencil, the Nigerian brand. And you guys know, if you want to see a tutorial on how I get my feathery brows, it will come up here.
So I'm going in with my lashes. This is my everyday lashes. I only have 2 in the pack now. This is the Kiss Pixie 02.
Kisses.
Oh no, I love this. I love this lashes. And
I love the fact that you can just get it in any like drugstore, CVS, anywhere.
Yep. So that's what I'm using today. The Kiss Pixie 02. I also have the Ardell Wispies. I use that.
Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows, and now I will go into highlighting, just giving myself some glow and some dew. So I always go back again with my Glossier Future Dew Serum. I'll take one, oops, that was a big pump. I'll take one pump of that, and then I'll use my Glossier Halo Scope highlighter in the shade Topaz, and I'm just going to scoop some of that and mix it. I'm such a mixer.
You are such a mixer.
Like, I always customize my products.
My highlight comes from when I start sweating and my skin will start glowing.
Yeah. And that's the thing with like us dry skin girls, like we don't have that, and that's why I always like to like fake glow. This is what it looks like, the texture, and I'm applying that with the Nuban Beauty NF14 brush, an amazing brush, a Nigerian brand as well. This is Nigerian brands.
No, Nigerian brands.
They're on it. This frontal is on my head. Words.
She's been complaining about this
the whole time.
I am pretty much done with my face and my eyes. I've worn my lashes, and I'm just going to go in and set my face. I'm going to use today the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
This thing I'm using is like a cheek glaze from a brand called TM Essentials. They have amazing stuff there, so check them out. And this shade is called Headline.
I'm going to go in with my eyebrow gel after setting my face just to feather out my eyebrows, and this is the Maybelline Brow Precise Volumizer.
I'm using the Beauty Line by Detty pencil, Nigerian brand again, and I'm just using this to line my lips. It's like a nice chocolate brown color. And now I'm going with this lip gloss. It's from a Nigerian brand as well called Mood Beauty, and it's in the shade Got a Crush. To be honest, at this point this entire face is looking like it's almost all Nigerian brands,
and I love that. Absolutely, that's content I love to see.
So I'll be going in with this lip stain. It's called Bare Me,
and I'm going in with her trusted Fenty Beauty lip gloss.
So guys, we are done with our makeup. Makeup is looking good, looking snatched,
looking day to night ready.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to head over to Alma's channel. Everything, the Alma Chronicles everywhere. So yes, please go show her some love, support her. And also, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click notification bell, thumbs up,
video,
exactly.
Thumbs up, share with your friends, because you know Detty December is for all of us.
And I'm sure to see you guys on Sunday for Vlogmas. So have a good day. Love you guys. Bye.